This lesson opens with a challenge. Precision is not about accuracy, it is about decision-making. Advanced masking logic is a mental discipline before it is a technical one. The focus here is understanding boundaries as relationships rather than edges. You are taught to think in terms of influence zones, where adjustments taper naturally instead of stopping abruptly. The instructional approach is analytical, training you to predict how changes interact across adjacent regions. This prevents unnatural transitions and preserves realism. The practical value comes from consistency. When selections respect form and depth, edits integrate seamlessly. Instead of isolating objects, you are shaping interaction between subject and environment. The result is control without rigidity.